skincare cream could challenge a laser session? New Revitalift Laser Renew by L'Oréal Paris challenges a laser session.
Now, having younger looking skin is something that a lot of women want, and some will go to really extreme lengths to achieve this. Now, many women will use creams and moisturizers, others prefer lasers and peels, and some go as far as cosmetic surgery. A lot of these options are very time consuming and also quite costly, and the results are not always worth it. Alexia Beretta from L'Oréal Paris South Africa is here to tell us about the options that we have that work as well as keep your skin looking young. Good morning, Alexia. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Now, I know that when you're in studio, we're going to be talking about some really incredible products. It's so good to have you here.
Yes, as always.
But
pleasure.
before we do that, we actually asked a question on Facebook, and we posted this question and said, what drastic steps would you take to get younger looking skin? And here's some of the responses that we got. Marie-Lee Curley said, "Sjoe, ek sou wat gee om my ou vel te verruil na 'n magic nuwe voorkoms." Sy het haar vel bietjie verwaarloos om heeldag in die son te lê. Sy het nie geluister na raad nie. And she says that nou sit sy met hierdie gebakte pere. Zulfa Ismail Kibida also said, "If only I could put on a cream and go and sleep, and when I wake up the next morning, poof, young again." Charmaine Blanchard said that I'm 49, I very seldom use makeup, but I would lend money for a facelift.
Wow.
And then Millicent Kakana said using moisturizing skin lotions more often and drinking water is the drastic steps that she would take. So this is definitely something that as we get older, we start to think about more, looking after our skin. And I mean, we see pictures of Jennifer Lopez and Gwen Stefani, they're in their 40s. What is the secret?
I think really it's a balance of things.
Yeah.
They maintain really healthy lifestyles, and quite often the consequence of getting older, you suffer some of the choices that you made when you were younger, like one of the viewers said that she spent too much time in the sun, etc. Women like Jennifer Lopez and Gwen Stefani, they really just take care of their skin every day with full regimes. They don't hold back on the kinds of products that they're using, and I think that it's a kind of care and time that they put into themselves that really makes them look so good when they're so old.
That's so true. Now, Alexia, what is the key to getting soft and supple skin after 40?
For me, it's very much about using what you need for your own skin and about choosing the products that are suitable for your needs specifically. So if you have very dry and denourished skin, make sure you're using a moisturizer that is very nourishing and it's got a lot of oils and nutrients in it that will help with that. If you're out in the sun a lot, make sure that you use an SPF and protect your skin when you're older. Washing and cleansing and toning is absolutely fundamental. And also making sure that you do that in the morning as well as in the evening.
Now, you, of course, are here to introduce a brand new range of products that will, you know, steer us away from using laser treatment, but it works just as well. What is it exactly?
Okay, so this is the range. It's called Revitalift Laser Renew from L'Oréal Paris, and it's the first skincare range from L'Oréal Paris to challenge a laser treatment.
Wow.
So for those women who are looking at taking drastic steps and spending thousands of rands on laser treatments, we're here to tell them that actually they don't need to be doing that. With products like this, they've got options that they can tackle their anti-aging needs at home.
Now, when I hear the word laser, I'm thinking of some really deep treatment. What can I expect from this range?
Exactly that. I think that it is because of the concentration of ingredients that are very, very specific to anti-aging, like hyaluronic acid as well as proxylane. It does have very serious effects on your skin. It is one of the most advanced of the anti-aging creams that L'Oréal Paris has brought to the market. And as the leader in anti-aging, we really are quite confident with the effects of the creams.
Wow, this is very exciting stuff. But now we have the products. What else should we be doing as women with mature skin to take care of our skin?
I think it's about maintaining your regime. So don't go to bed at night with your makeup on, make sure you cleanse and tone, etc. It's also about using sometimes some specific treatment products. Like, for example, this is the serum, which is so nice to bring to the market because the serums, quite often there's a lot of luxury brands that have serums in the market, and you're looking at sort of 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 rand a cream, and if you feel the texture of this one on your hand, it's absolutely stunning.
There we go. Should I just rub it in?
Yeah, and put it on the top. You can feel it's sort of got a lovely creamy velvety texture, but then absorbs into your skin really well. So the idea is that you combine that with a basic moisturizer and eye treatment.
And not heavy and not oily.
Not
it just seems to, you know, be soaked in so wonderfully.
the texture of this range is for me one of the big perks. It is absolutely velvety and smooth and does leave your skin feeling amazing. And it's also about how comfortable you feel in your skin. So when you wake up in the morning, you put on your moisturizer and serum the night before, your skin just feels comfortable and soft and healthy.
I love it, I love it. Renew Laser, definitely a stunning, stunning range of products, but it's not only that we're leaving it there. You stand a chance to win great prizes this morning. We're giving away this L'Oreal hamper with 780 Rand. And let me tell you what it includes. It includes the Laser Renew Moisturizer, Laser Renew Serum, Laser Renew Eye Cream, the wash and the toner, and it's valued at 780 Rand. You this morning could walk away with one of these. All you have to do is SMS the word laser, that's LASER, to 33728, and this awesome hamper could very well be yours. I must say, I'm excited. Us over 40, hey, we need to start looking after ourselves.
Exciting, absolutely.
The time is now. Don't wait. Get this. It really, really is awesome. And it's, of course, great to start looking after yourself. Hey, Alexia. Always great to have you in studio with us. You're welcome anytime. Just bring these with you.
I'll be back, definitely.
Kat and Graham, over to you.